Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2011 Chevrolet Colorado. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined 5-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, a bedliner, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.